Basically, when after David called, we were talking about it probably heading our way. Um, I think at that point it got more serious when we knew for sure. So I think at that point we as in the uh, emergency manager director, Jeremy deputy and I, we were at the courthouse. That's where our EOC's at. We had it opened up, um, had the weather on there, and just kind of planning of you can't plan a whole bunch. You can have your basic plan, but then you don't know where it's coming, what kind of damage it's going to do, and that kind of thing. So we were just discussing between us, and the judge was there a couple times back and forth. And I think that's where it started. I actually had went home, and about 8:30 decided I didn't want to be at home, that I really think I needed to be in town, back at the EOC. So we all met up there again, and that's where we were when the tornado. We have well, we've got 19 sirens now in the county, and we had upgraded from 16 to 19. Those sirens work, and then we have code red for an alert system for our citizens. We try to, every time we go out, we talk about getting signed up for code red. That comes through that we don't actually have to do anything. We can if we need to, but we don't have to in that.
And we started tracking the storm, the actual tornado, once it started spinning up out in Jonesboro, Arkansas. So we watched this thing for an hour and a half before it ever hit our county, and just hoping, watching the radar, man, this thing could go left, right, north, south of us. We don't know. And once it hit the Kentucky line, we were starting to get some concern. And then once it entered Graves County, we knew we were going to be in the path of this thing if it didn't lift. Unfortunately, it didn't lift. Once it hit Mayfield, we activated our tornado sirens, and we did not let off on our tornado sirens. We told dispatch, keep activating those sirens. We don't care if you melt the siren, just keep those sirens going. Code red. Uh, we lost 2 people in Marshall County to this storm, and we got lucky. Folks listened to the watches, they listened to the warnings, they took it serious, they went to their safe places, and I think with preparation from National Weather Service, with our news media partners, our local emergency management, local first responders, those guys did an outstanding job responding to this event, and I heard the story secondhand because we were always at the EOC. But it said after the tornado, he hid under the stairs. He had a closet under the stairs there on his first floor. After the tornado, he opened that door from that closet, got out, and there was nothing left, no house. It was just that stairwell closet standing, and it was pouring down rain. So he just turned around and got right back inside that closet and closed the door till it quit raining.
Nice.
Yeah, there's been a lot of people through our office. We've been doing storm shelters, so they can call and register their storm shelters with us, and that way, if something like this happens, we have 9 fire departments, and so what we do is share it with them, and they will actually go out and check and make sure that a tree hasn't fell on it. From this event, we've gotten probably close to 40 storm shelters that has been registered. And a lot of those are new ones because of this last storm. So
Right.